today we're gonna do a synthetic wig review, well, application. I will let you guys know how it fares in the comments. I went to the beauty supply store because I was in search of the Letitia wig. I'll do a video on that one as well. I have been waiting to get my hands on that wig and a moment came up, so I'm so happy that I have it. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. This video is about the Shake and Go Equal Curtain Bang Lace wig. I got it in the style Bombshell and the color number 1. That's the placard, just in case, because you know you guys need to see the color and stuff. This is also a really pretty color that it comes in, that blonde. Ooh. So yeah, I got this at the beauty supply store. I went to get the Letitia wig, like I said. First of all, beauty supply stores it was tripping, because the Letitia wig on Amazon and everywhere else was like between maybe like $43 to like max I saw max was like $65. Okay, so that's what I was willing to spend. I was willing to do, but it was $50 on Amazon. But I was like, oh, you know, maybe I can like go pick it up in the store and not have to pay shipping, and it'll be like $40 to $50. Y'all, I went in there and that lady was trying to charge me $83 for the Letitia wig. I don't think so. Anyways, this one ended up being the last one on the mannequin head, and she gave it to me for 10% off. But she upcharged on this one too. I think she had it for like 40 something dollars. Online it's like 39. I don't know, but because she gave me the 10% off, I was like, I'm leaving here with something, so we're gonna put her on. This one is really easy. It's a very simple wig. It has a lot of layers, which I love. It's a HD lace, but the lace is only like a T part. There's no lace for you to cut off or anything unless they cut it off, because like I said, this was like the display unit, but I don't even think so because there's literally nothing here. But I sprayed my lace tint spray on it just to get it to match my scalp, of course, and that's all that I did. So I'm gonna just adjust the straps in the back. I like to crisscross mine so it'll stay. This one doesn't have a wig band on it, which I think will be fine. It just has 2 combs on the sides and the front, a comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps. It's really long. Oh Lord, I hope this works out. Okay, let me not be too nervous right now. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, I'm just gonna comb it out because it's a little tangled. Wigs always overwhelm me in the beginning, but you just have to take your time. But I absolutely already love what it's giving. The bangs are a pinch much for me, so I'm gonna have to work on that and do a little snip, but I don't want to wear it like actual curtain bangs, although that's kind of even, but I want to wear it like as a middle part. This is gonna be like my go-to work wig. I do work in a hospital, so I try not to wear my human hair at work, obviously because of all the germs. So when I find a good synthetic wig that I, you know, finish wearing it out and, you know, it's starting to get a little old, it's the perfect work wig. I don't have a slick stick, but I do use the Got to Be Glued Spray Wax. It's a 2-in-1 spray, really good to slick your hair. It's one of my favorites. Just gonna spray a little. Okay, so right now, I don't even know if you guys can tell, but it's like hitting me under my boobs, right above my waistline. It's too long for me. I'm gonna snip it probably like to right above my boobs. So let me get my scissors. As you can see. Okay, now you can see a little bit better. Okay. That's already, it's already eating, y'all. Okay, all right. to snip these bangs down a little bit. They're just too long. So I think cutting it really helped like that already. That really, you know, if I could just get this little piece right here to cooperate, the wig might be, you know, ready to go. I do need to cut the bangs a little bit, which I'm really nervous about because I'm a lefty. But I do need to snip them. But they're like, with my nose. But I'm just gonna snip them a tiny bit. Literally just to snip it. I wonder if that even really did much, but I think it did actually. I almost feel like it's too thick. I think I'm gonna actually pluck right at the front because it's just too much hair on this side. I honestly probably because the lace is so intense, I could just rip it out, but I don't want to rip the lace. I'm gonna just take this tuft out. Okay guys, I decided against cutting because honestly I'm not gonna wear the bang. I'm not gonna wear the bang. I am a middle part girly or I'm a deep side part girly, and I like how this looks, so it kind of gives like a, okay, you know, it could be a bang, but here goes the part. I love it. I love it. Ever since I like cutting it, the length definitely made it more, one, realistic, and two, just more comfortable to wear. It's not super thick for a synthetic wig, so it doesn't feel like it's doing too much. And honestly, I can run my fingers through it and it's like easy to, you know, kind of reorient, because you know how sometimes synthetic wigs be cutting up. But yeah, I love it. This is the perfect little throw on wig and I'm excited to have her in my collection. I'm gonna see if I can flatten it a little bit more, but I also have like bigger braids under here. I just have like 2 French braids, so it's probably not gonna lay as well as I want it to. But this is eating, okay? It's eating. I love it a lot. All right guys, that is the vibes for today. I hope that you enjoyed this quick video. I highly suggest this wig if you just want something to throw on and you don't have to worry about like cutting your own layers for real or doing too much. Then I think she's for you. So yeah, love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Thank you.